Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is using mid-segments in trapezoids. Let's understand what a mid-segment is and then we'll solve the questions based on the same. Let's understand the definition first. The median, also called the mid-segment of a trapezoid, is a segment that connects the midpoint of one leg to the midpoint of the other leg. Let's draw a rough trapezium. Let's name it as A, B, C, D. So the mid segment is the segment that connects the midpoint of one leg to the midpoint of the other. So this, let's name it EF, is the mid segment. Another important thing to remember is the mid segment of a trapezoid is parallel to each base, that is EF is parallel to AB and EF is parallel to AB and EF is parallel to CD, and its length is one half of the sum of the lengths of the bases. If say x is the length of AB, y is the length of EF and z is the length of CD, then y equals to one half of x plus z. We'll be keeping these in mind and doing our questions. The first question says solve for x, and we're given a trapezoid where x and 6 is the length of the two bases while 5 is the length of the mid segment. Now we know the formula that the length of the mid segment is equal to one half of the sum of the lengths of the bases, which is x plus 6 in this case. To solve this, we cross multiply. We get x plus 6 times 1 equals to 2 times 5. X plus 6 equals to 10. To find out the value of x, we subtract 6 from both sides. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0. X equals to 10 minus 6 equals to 4. Therefore, x equals to 4 is the final answer. Can be seen in option C. Moving on to the next question. It says solve for x, and we are given a trapezoid with mid-segment length as x while the length of the bases are 14 and 35. As per the formula, x equals to one half of 14 plus 35, that is length of the mid segment is equal to half of the sum of the two bases. This is half of 14 plus 35 is 49. Therefore length of the mid segment is 49 divided by 2. This is the final answer and can be seen in option D. Let's try the next question. Solve for x, and we're given a trapezoid with two bases. The first base is x plus 109 while the second is 4x plus 14. The length of the mid segment is given by 14x plus 4. So now we know 14x plus 4, that is the length of the mid segment, is equal to one half of the sum of the two bases, x plus 109 plus 4x plus 14. So first we'll write it like this. We'll solve inside the parentheses. Equals to one half of x plus 4x is a 5x. 109 plus 14 is 123. We'll cross multiply. We get 2 times 14x plus 4 equals to 5x plus 123. Applying the distributive law, we have 28x plus 8 equals to 5x plus 123. First we subtract 5x from both sides. We get 23x plus 8 equals to, this is 0 equals to 123. We subtract 8 from both sides. We get 23x equals to 115. To find out the value of x, We divide by 23 on both sides, and from here we get the value of x equals to 5. This is the final answer, can be seen in option B. I hope using mid segments and trapezoids is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.